total to my bar. You can ask me for a drink. Hi, do you want a drink?
No, there is
Okay,
no...
now I will show you the drinks I have.
By using the mobile capacity of TIAGo, it plans for the 4 sides of the table, and in fact it will decide which is the best
Yes,
one.
I know you want
The
a
most
drink.
robust.
I'm coming. Which drink do you want?
Now we select with the keyboard one of the drinks that TIAGo is offering us. Just number 4.
Okay, I would have chosen drink number 9, but I will serve drink number 4, if that's what you want.
Okay, so number 4.
Let me see how I can reach your drink.
So this is the part that we are going to skip. In fact, the planner is launched for the 4 sides of the table, and according to a robustness index, it decides which is the most safe path. So we skip this, and we are going to attach manually the can.
I am going to grasp your drink. Please, be patient.
By the way, we have equipped TIAGo with the Allegro hand in order to enhance the manipulation capabilities of TIAGo. So this is what we want, to enhance the manipulation skills, both by software
I
and
am
by
bringing
hardware.
your drink. Please, be patient.
Yes, the TIAGo has sense. It has the force sensor, this one, and it has sense that it has effectively grasped the can, and now it has moved to the navigation position towards the user, where he is going to serve the beverage.
Yes, I know you want a drink. I'm coming.
It is coming, and everybody is prepared, just in case.
Wait for it.
Trying to adjust the final pose, and in fact all the planners, all the motions are
Sorry,
finally...
I cannot serve your drink. Please, help me. Trainer, please hold the drink for me.
So something has failed at this point, has not been able to correctly locate with respect to the table. The threshold was too high.
Hi, do you want a drink?
I wanted to drink.
Hi, do you want a drink? Okay, now I will show you the drinks I have.
So in fact, answering your question about the table, we need the map, but we also retake the placement of the table using the same algorithm used
Yes,
to detect
I know you
cards
want a drink, I'm coming.
by detecting 4 points, in this case the 4 corners of the table. Using the same algorithm, we are able to locate the table, but in this case it's just to make sure that it's where it's supposed to be.
Which drink do you want?
Are you detecting the distance to the table? Like you install some white banners there?
We have defined this is the serving location, which is predefined with respect to the table that it's known in the manual.
Okay, I would have chosen drink number 9, but I will serve you drink number 3 if that's what you want. Ah, let me see how I can reach your drink.
So you mentioned that part is not working yet. Is that because you didn't have time, or was there a different challenge because you used a different hand, or what was the problem?
No, finally we had communication problems, and it's not launching correctly. It's
Okay.
just an integration problem.
So what were you hoping to achieve using this
I
much more
am going to
complex hand?
grasp your drink.
Okay, we started by analyzing the grasping capabilities of the hand provided by TIAGo, and it was not able to grasp properly these big objects like a hand. So we decided to work with Allegro hand. We have in our lab other
I am bringing
mobile
your drink.
manipulators, handmade,
Please, be patient.
and we equipped them with this hand, which is quite good regarding the number of degrees of freedom and the capacity it has. We are not using it here, but we have equipped this hand. We can see now because it wears a glove. We have equipped it with tactile sensors to make some type of dexterous manipulation. And also regarding manipulation with this type of hands, we are interested in reproduce some human-like motions, and that's why at the soft level we have designed some synergies, so coupling between degrees of freedom in order to make it move as we want. Not in this case, because in this case it's just power grasp that we are using. And I think that we got stuck in the same.
Sorry, I cannot serve your drink.
Okay, sorry for that.
Please,
It was just demo effect. Okay, so that was it.